Hello friends, this is Sakina and welcome to my channel Designer Planet. Guys, today I am talking about best juicer brand review. So guys, before going to start, please subscribe my channel if you are new and please follow me on Instagram for latest deal and update. Okay guys, let's start the video. So guys, there are many kind of juicers available in the market. And the best brands are Prestige, Bajaj, Philips and Maharaja and MasterChef. These are some popular brands available in online. Purchasing juicer is not a major investment. It is still better to understand the specification and your requirement. First brand is Coving juicer, and it is one of the hit brand on Amazon that is still in #1 juicer in India. This is a cold press juicer, so you can get all the nutrition from the produce. It has a sleek and attractive look, which will not blend but also enhance your kitchen interior. It has 240-watt motor with a copper bond that take care of the juicing and extracting of all nutrition present in the fruit. It has a speed of 50 rpm, which can squeeze the fruit and vegetables silently without making the noise. The free tube is 76 mm, which allows the whole fruit to juice out. Cleaning of this product is easy and hassle-free. You have to just put the parts of the juicer under the running water, and in the few minutes your juicer will be clean. And the juicer comes with a smart cap, which does not allow the juice to come out when not required, and also juice has safety lock. When you will apply the safety lock, only after that the working will start. Now talk about its warranty. 10 years of warranty on a gear and motor and 1 year warranty on other electric parts. If you notice any damage or product effect within 10 days of delivery, then you can get a replacement of your refund on the product. Manufacturer has used high quality food grade BPA free plastic, which ensure hygiene and long life, which is good deal for you. Next brand is Philips. Philips is the best brand for kitchen and home appliances. Philips juicer come in a round shape and it has a compact design which looks your kitchen beautiful. And now talk about its weight. Its weight is around 4 kg to shift easily from one location to another. It has a strong motor power of 700 watt to blend and extract 2 liters of juice from fruit and vegetable. Now talk about its body. The body of the juicer and pulp container is transparent, so you can see through the whole process of juicing of fruit and vegetable. It features quick clean technology that can clean the juicer within a minute. It is available in a dual shade of steel and a black color. One of the most stylish juicer is it has a rubber feet to prevent slipping. Now talk about its capacity. The Philips juicer capacity is a 2 liter and easy to lock and unlock jar. This juicer can effectively work as a grinder, mixer and juicer. It has a feeder tube which is 75 mm wide and allows fruit and vegetable. The juicer can make up to 2 liter juice in a single attempt. It is also possible to juice collect directly into your glasses. Next brand is Prestige. This juicer comes with a stainless steel and a sharp blade which helps to cut the fruit finely. It is made high quality plastic such as ABS with a body made of stainless steel. This juicer requires a power supply of 220 to 240 volt while consuming a 550 watt. It helps to save energy. The juicer comes with a rotary switch and a dual locking system that make it convenient to use. It is easy to use and easy to maintain and easy to assemble. You can prepare fruit and vegetable juice, and you can also make baby food. Next juicer brand is Bajaj. Bajaj is a popular brand that has been serving a large number of people for a long time. And this juicer comes with a powerful 800 watt motor that is capable of crushing almost all fruits and vegetables into delicious juice. This juicer comes with excellent features like 2-speed control to customize the operation speed. That means it is helped to adjust the speed as per the juice requirement. Now talk about its body. It has a stainless steel body and it is a capacity of 1 liter, and you can easily remove the attachment and wash it. It has a back LED control panel. And now talk about its warranty. It has 2-year warranty on the product, and there are no warranty on the motor, and also not suitable for big family. So guys, these are some popular brand for juicer, and guys, for more detail you can visit my blog and my website. My website is designerplanet.in and my blog is www.designerplanet.blogspot.com. If you want to see more electronics product, please visit my blog and my website. Our buying guide help you to choose the best product for your budget. If you have any queries, guys, please mail me, or you can comment me, and also you can DM me on Instagram or Facebook. Please follow me on Instagram for latest deal and update. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. So guys, if you like my video, please hit the like button. Okay guys, this was today's video. I posted on best juicer brand in India, and I hope you understand all the specification and feature. So guys, see you tomorrow. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.